Alrighty, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to a quick CYPRX video breakdown. In today's video, I'm actually going to release to you guys one of our current market updates for our private CYPRX members. In the link in the description and down below, you guys can click on it. You can read our market updates. That way you actually understand what's happening in the current market environment, why digital assets over the past consecutive couple of weeks have pulled back. What I've noticed is that from these mainstream platforms and these influencers, they're always touting one of two things: constant bullish moonboy hopium or constant fear, uncertainty, and doubt. There's no real explanation floating around in the market as to why price is currently doing what it's doing or what it did this past week, and giving you all a proper forward-looking projection. So if you guys want to actually stay up to date with market fundamentals, really truly understand risk on, risk off, click the link in the description down below. Absolutely free to read our report. I just thought that I'd come on and drop that for you all to keep you all updated and show you guys how we here in the CYPRX community are keeping our private members up to date, in the loop, and keeping them engaged with the current market environment from a logical perspective, a forward-looking perspective, and a perspective that has given them an edge in the market time and time again. So I said to you guys in the most recent post, people often underestimate the big picture. Many influencers have misled you, claiming that the last dip was the final one. Aren't you tired of that? I got tired of that. So I took it upon myself to actually learn the markets. Now, in my personal opinion, it is time for you to educate yourself on market sentiment and proper risk management. This immature approach that everybody takes to investing, that's dead. That's so done and out of the water. Aren't you ready to take a step further and really start to educate yourself on proper market fundamentals, risk on, risk off? Stop watching these bullish moon boys or these individuals that are constantly flooding the market. There is a medium of exchange. There is a medium of individuals like myself and the CYPRX community who are constantly pumping valuable education, right? Are you going to keep following those individuals who hype endless gains from their mom's basement and mislead you into fear, uncertainty, and doubtful mindsets? Or are you going to start to seek a career of trading and investing where you're constantly educated properly and you always know what's happening in the markets? Crypto, we all know, is bullish long term, but these short-term dips can be extremely harsh for those individuals who bought, for example, in the peak of 2024 that we most recently seen. If you are currently feeling disheartened by major losses and tired of always losing, it is time to evolve. It is time to level up in your investing and trading career. Join a like-minded community of individuals that are ahead of the curve and that actually understand fundamentals in the market, risk on, risk off, when it's properly time to implement capital, when it's time not to, why pullbacks happen, why bullish moves happen. It's time to educate. Stop being the type of person that just follows bullish moonboy hypium indicator Fibonacci price predictions. That is so 2020, 2021. It's time to elevate. So I just want to read this for you guys. And remember, you don't have to watch this entire video breakdown. I just thought I'd come on here and rant. Click the link in the description down below. Feel free to read our current market update. So that way you're informed on, what is going on in the market, why this most recent market downturn happened, some of the different fundamentals that have weighed on the prices of digital assets, if that's something that interests you, right? If you actually want to take your career to another level, the link is in the description down below. It's absolutely free. You guys can read it. I want to read a perspective from one of our private members. Shout out to you, Tanner, because you have been doing a phenomenal job, not only elevating yourself in our private community, but also financially in your own investment career by taking advantage of some of the things that we offer. And he went on to say in our private DeFi chat, which again is available if you are our private monthly Discord member, man, it's actually crazy how many people aren't tapped in. Ever since I've joined the CYPRX team and obtained a better understanding of the market, it actually annoys me to see nonsense on the timeline. I've seen so many people tweet as to why they think the market is tanking, and none of them are right. These people will draw imaginary lines on a chart and swear that they can tell the future. This is why this community, talking about CYPRX, is so valuable. The people that tap into communities like this will have much more longevity in this market. I can guarantee that. I've muted and blocked so many crypto influencers slash gurus because it actually infuriates me to see their posts. Cypress said not too long ago, if this market does what we all think it's going to do and come up on $100 million, do you think that I'll be sitting here on a Zoom call with you guys? That actually hit me hard. Please make the most of these Zoom calls and course materials while they're still available and giving you the opportunity to learn from people that actually know what's going on. And I simply just said back to this individual, mad respect. Because again, they're the type of individual that's taking initiative, that's taking action, and actually learning from what it is that we are projecting in the CyPRX community, time and time again, giving themselves an edge in the market by not tapping in, feeding in to the two-sided opinions in the market, which are either always super bullish or super negative. It's time to educate yourselves, ladies and gentlemen. It's time to get involved. It's time to mature. And if this is something that interests you, a private community of individuals, like-minded individuals that are always pumping out good feeds of information, keeping you educated and in the loop. You want access to these market updates, which I hand type out every single evening during Asia session for the private community members, jumping on Zoom calls with them, keeping them engaged in the market dynamics. Make sure that you head over to CYPRXtraining.com. We would love to have you on the team. And if that's not something that interests you, again, just read the free market update down in the description below. Enlighten yourself on the most recent market downturn. It will only benefit you in the long run to understand these market dynamics. So with that being said, I thought that I would just hop on, give you guys a little bit of a rant because I know that there's so many individuals out there that are sick and tired of the two-sided hopium, bullish moon boy hype, or the fear, uncertainty, and doubt, and are actually looking for a solid educational platform. So click the link in the description down below. It'll lead you to our most recent market update. It's free to read, no charge. Take it upon yourself, go through it. If it's something that interests you, remember that I hand type out these types of reports to our private community members in our Discord every single evening. Not only that, but we hop on multiple Zoom calls throughout the week, breaking down market dynamics from a logical, realistic perspective. No bullish moon boy hype, no fear, uncertainty, and doubt, just straight facts in the market. Again, if that's something that interests you, head over to CyPRXtraining.com. We would love to have more like-minded individuals on the team. With that being said, many blessings to you guys, and I'll see you all in the next video breakdown.